Welcome to academic e-learning. Today we are going to see about iterative or looping statements. Okay, so what is this? So here we are having a condition and this condition is executed again and again. Okay, so here also we are having two category. One is a for and second one is while. Okay, so before going to see about for and while, first we are going to see about range function. Okay, so range is a function. It can accept one argument or two argument or three argument. So first we are going to see a range function with one argument. Okay, so range of 1. So what's the output of this? Output is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and that of 4. Okay, that is 5 numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so count this 1, 2, 3, 4 and that of 5. Okay, and next we are going to see the second case, that is range of I'm just going to give 2, 7. Okay, so what's the output is 2. It is starting with 0, starting with 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. Okay, that is stop minus 1. Okay, is it clear? Starting with 2 and it is end with 6. Okay, and then I'm just going to give 3 arguments, range of 1, 10, 2. Okay, so what's the output? So here the starting value is 1 and what is the ending value? Ending value is 10. Here we specify 10 means it will go up to 9 only. Okay, so 9 and then step value. Okay, that is incremental. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so this is the output of range functions. Okay, so this is about the range, and now we are going to see about for loop. Okay, so for that in previous videos also we had seen one example, that is print n natural numbers. Okay, so here also we will take that same problem, print n natural numbers. Print n natural numbers. So what is this natural numbers? Natural number means starting from 1. Yes, so 1, 2, 3 up to that, any number that comes under the natural numbers. Okay, so I'm just going to give the value for n. So what is the input? Input is we have to give some value for n, and what is the output? For example, I'm just going to give the value as 4. Okay, so what's the output? 1, 2, 3 and that of 4. Okay, so this is the input and this is the output. So for that we have to think of the logic. So I'm just going to write the logic with the help of the for loop. See here, for I in range of already I said in iterative statements we are just using one variable, that is I, that is initialize. Okay, so for I in the range of, so what is the starting value? Starting value is 1, right? Okay, and here 4. So for up to 4 only we have to get the output. Okay, therefore we have to give 5, right? 5. So if we specify 5 means then will we get the output up to 4. If we give 4 here means then we will get the output only, we will get output up to 3 only. Okay, yes, and then we are just going to print I. So print I. Okay, let's run this. Yes, so what are the possible values here? 1, 2, 3 and that of 4. First initially I is 1. Okay, so I will be printed and then I will be incremented to here, because here we didn't specify the step value. Okay, if you are not specify the step value, that is the default value is 1, that is I will be incremented by 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so I will be incremented to 2 and then 2 will be printed, and next again I will be incremented to 3 and 3 will be printed, and again I will be incremented to 4 and 4 will be printed, and that's all. You know, here we are having no values, therefore the loop will be terminated. And here also I am just writing one print statement, print end. Okay, so after performing this, after execution of the for loop, end will be executed. So in the output also we are just going to get end. Okay, so this is about the for loop. Okay, for the same problem I'm just going to write using while loop. Okay, so keep in mind, whenever you are just going to write while, first thing is you have to think of initialization. Okay, that is, you are just going to initialize some value to the variable I. Okay, so here also what's the input? We are just taking the same problem, that is print n natural number. Okay, number. So I'm just going to give the value for here is 6. Okay, so what's the output? Output we have to get is 1 2 3 4 5 and that of 6. Okay, up to 6. Print n natural numbers. Okay, that is print 6 natural numbers. Okay, so okay, see here, first I is equal to 1, that is initialize, and then we have just going to write while must be followed by the condition. So what is this value? I is less than or equal to 6. Yes or no? Okay, I is less than or equal to 6, and next one is, what's the thing? We are just going to print I, and then I should be incremented, that is I is equal to I plus 1. So okay, let's trace this. So first, initially I is equal to 1 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, the condition is correct, so I will be printed and I will be incremented to 2. Okay, so again after executing this statement, the loop will be executed again. The condition is checked again. Okay, that is execution of the condition more than one time. Okay, so 2 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, the condition is correct, therefore 2 will be printed and I will be incremented. So value of I is 3, and then 3 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, the condition is correct, therefore 3 will be printed and I value will be incremented, and then 4 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, the condition is correct, therefore 4 will be printed and I will be incremented, and then again 5 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, the condition is correct, therefore 5 will be printed and then I value will be incremented. It is pointing to 6. 6 is less than or equal to 6. Yes, correct, therefore 6 will be incremented and I value will be incremented. What's the value of I value is become 7. 7 is less than or equal to 6. No, the condition is false. Okay, therefore now control comes here. Control will come here. Okay, so here I am just writing print end. Okay, so after executing this, finally we are just getting the output n. Okay, so this is about the looping statements. Okay, hope you all are clear with this concept. Thanks for watching.